Hey guys, in this video we will explore the best AI models. Let's dive into lmarena. It's a free platform where you can test and compare different AI models like GPT-5, Gemini, Claude, and many more. First, let's try battle mode. You'll see two AI models. They will answer your questions anonymously. Type your prompt, anything you want. For example, what are the marketing trends in 2026? lmarena will show you two different answers. Read them both and then vote for the one you think is better. Your vote helps rank the AI models and choose the best answer based on quality and helpfulness. After voting, the platform reveals which models you were comparing. Interesting, right? It's a great way to see which AI gives you the best results without any bias. And if you want to compare specific AI models, you can use the side-by-side mode. Here you can pick two models you want directly, let's say Gemini and GPT-5, and now ask them the same questions. This is perfect for understanding the nonsense between different AIs. You can ask, what are the latest news about Estonia's development? Read both responses to see which AI provides clearer, more detailed answers. Now, if you need to focus on a single AI or talk to one model at a time, try direct chat, choose the AI you want, and start a conversation. This is ideal for in-depth tasks or when you already have a preferred model. lmarena also offers other features. You can use it to generate images by using the text-to-image arena options and entering a description. You can also choose web search or build apps in a website. There is also a leaderboard where you can see rankings of the top models based on user votes. Also remember that lmarena is a web-based tool and you can access it through a browser. lmarena is a fantastic resource for anyone curious about AI. Experiment with different modes, vote for your favorite responses, and help the community find the best AI models. Go explore. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips.